And tonight, new information from the district attorney's office on exactly who killed El Paso County Sheriff's Deputy Micah Flick, paralyzed Thomas Villaneuva, an innocent bystander, back in February.
The DA telling us it was 19-year-old car theft suspect Manuel Zatina who was ultimately shot and killed by law enforcement. News 5's Katie Blaze was at the news conference today revealing the details. She is now live near the Murray Hills apartments where this tragedy took place 6 months ago. Katie.
Robin, Elizabeth, the wait is finally over. So many questions have been asked by the community and those personally affected since that horrible day back in February. What happened? Who shot first? And why wasn't Manuel Zatina taken down quicker? After months.
Unfortunately, law enforcement's a dangerous job. And this is an example of that. You try to take all the precautions you can in the world, but in the end, it's a dangerous job.
It was 6 months ago when El Paso County Sheriff's Deputy Micah Flick was shot and killed. Other officers injured and citizen Thomas Villaneuva paralyzed after he was caught in the gunfire.
It's just horrible, the tragedy that happened to him. He's an innocent man just standing there. Nobody ever wanted to see this happen.
Villanueva's life forever changed by this incident, and for Deputy Flick's wife and children, forced to continue on without him. The information now being given about that fateful day back in February.
I can't tell you whether it's going to give them closure or not. It'll give them some answers. What we're reviewing is whether the officers who returned fire, were justified in doing that, and we found that they were absolutely justified in shooting and killing Mr. Zatina.
May says 10 officers were at the Murray Hill apartments on February 5th to try and arrest someone for stealing a car.
They did not know who this person was at the time that they made the arrest. They did not know that he was armed. The first time that they announced themselves as police is as they are putting the bear hug on Mr. Zatina and making the arrest.
The situation quickly escalated from there.
We believe that Mr. Zatina shot everybody before a single officer returned fire. But keep in mind, this happens in a matter of seconds.
May saying officers didn't shoot right away, concerned about shooting others. The only bullets used by deputies and police officers found in Manuel Zatina, the bullet that shot Thomas Villaneuva.
It has been absolutely identified by ballistics as coming from Mr. Zatina's gun.
The DA also determining that Deputy Flick was shot by Zatina, not friendly fire. While the bullet was never found, these are the circumstances leading to this conclusion.
One is a close-range shot. Mr. Zatina's gun does have blood on it. The DNA comes back to Micah Flick.
And we did reach out to Thomas Villanueva's lawyer today for a response from Mr. Villanueva. We are still waiting for a response. And we are being told this does wrap up the DA's investigation as no one is being charged. Always watching out for you, El Paso County. Katie Blaze, News 5.
Katie, thanks. And in our continuing coverage, there remain questions about what led up to this shooting, and we want to know what's being done so this kind of tragedy can be avoided in the future.
Now, based on that DA's written report we read, they had been tailing Zatina all day and were set to arrest him earlier, but backed off due to tactical concerns. Did they know he was armed and dangerous? DA May says they did not know who he was, as you just heard. The report states they observed him smoking meth just before the shootout at the Shannon Glen apartments, yet Officer Stone, who was wounded, Deputy Flick, who was killed, had not drawn their weapons as they approached him. Why commanders were not able to communicate with Flick, Stone, and others once they realized Zatina was armed. It was a large task force, as you heard, 10 members responding, none wearing body cameras. Is that standard procedure?
There is conflicting information regarding the task force identifying themselves verbally and visually to Zatina. Of all the evidence collected, the bullet that killed Deputy Flick has not been recovered. Why is that? And there's no consistency in statements from officers. The DA statement says they all provided different perspectives because each approached Zatina from different places and angles.
Now, yes, this all happened in an instant. Lives changed forever. So after the news conference, we reached out to Springs PD. They told us due to pending litigation, they cannot comment on our follow-up questions. They hope to release their 900-page redacted report by Friday.
And the sheriff's office says they will not address discrepancies between the initial details of the shooting from Sheriff Elder back in February and what we heard today from Dan May. They also declined to comment due to pending litigation from Thomas Villaneuva.